Hey y'all, this is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging from Amazon. Now, I just want to say real quick, thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new, thank you so much for subscribing, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and it tickles me to death to even get comments, likes. When I go on and I see I've got a new subscriber, it's like a present. So I just wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate every single one of you. Like, more than you even know. So, let's get into this. This is a 2-pack that I got from Amazon. Yes, you heard me right. It's a 2-pack. And y'all, you want to know how much I gave for 2? I gave $5.19 for this 2-pack. Y'all, that's a steal. I couldn't believe it when I seen it. I actually went and looked at the description because I was like, is it just one, but you get to pick which one? Nope, it's a 2-pack. So, let's go ahead and get this open. And I hope everybody's having a great day. Okay. It is in a very thick plastic bag. And they are in plastic bags. So, these are both 30 by 40s, and they are from a little, I guess it's a little store, a little whatever, called Tiny Fun. And like I said, they were a 2-pack for $5.19, y'all. Now, they are Christmas, but who cares? I don't. I do not care about seasons. If I like it, I'm going to do it. I might do the Santa Claus in April. Who knows? I'm just crazy like that. So, let's get this thing flattened out a little bit. It is poured glue. It is round. They are both poured glue rounds. And like I said, it is a 30 by 40. I'm going to lift y'all up just a little more. Okay. Hopefully that is all in focus. Alright, so up at the top it has the serial number and the size and the company. Alright. And down here in the bottom, it has got the thumbnail. Sorry, I had to pause and cough. I'm still trying to get over this head cold that I've got. So, anyway, it has the thumbnail and the size. It has 25 colors in it. And it looks like it's a mix of letters and symbols. And the DMC numbers are also listed on there. But isn't this schematic kind of weird looking? But it's on the very bottom. I don't think I have seen a schematic like this one before. So that's pretty cool. It's different. Okay. So, let's see what we got. We'll just open this toolkit up. Pull all this out. Alright, so you get a few baggies. Looks like there's probably maybe 10. You get a clear pen with a, I don't know if that is a 3-placer or a 2-placer on it, and a single placer. And I hope y'all can see this. I don't have my overhead light on. All I am using is my window, so you are getting natural light. So it comes with a blue squishy, 1 square of wax, and then a white boat with a spout. So again, I think this is just a teensy-weensy bit better than the average toolkit. And this is all you need to do this kit. That's it. Alright, so again, we have what looks like the same kind of drills as all the other ones that I have been showing. That has this gray strip. Okay. And it is, like I said, a round. And it does have the DMC codes on the backs. So maybe it's not the same company. They just look the same. Because none of the other companies, or none of the other drills that I have shown with this gray strip has had the DMC numbers on the bags. So, we're just going to slide through these real quick. Yep. It's 2 bags of, what is that one? 7, 12. Quite a bit of blues. Lots of reds, of course. And I'm not seeing any bad drills. I'm not seeing any trash. I didn't even see any hitchhikers. And they all look pretty good. No static that I can see. Yeah, these look pretty good. They look pretty good. Alright. So we'll set those over to the side. And again, it's Santa Claus. He's holding a little Christmas tree in his hand. And let's see. Very sticky. And I can see right off that they have, like in the darker places, a lighter symbol. So I'm going to bring y'all down a little bit so you can see the drill field. And it looks pretty good, y'all. So what do y'all think? Have y'all done this one? It's not a bad price for 2 kits. Not a bad price at all. So, what do y'all think? I think he's cute. And even if Sorry, had to pause again for a coughing fit. So anyway, what do y'all think about this one? I like it. So, until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.